Hello guys, so if you're looking to add your business in Google Maps, so if that's the case, you're from the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly what you have to do is just simply open a browser and just simply type in Maps Business or Business Maps in Google, just type that, then open the first link which is Google Business Profile over here. Now after that just simply click on Manage Now. If you don't have an account or if you have an account just simply log in, but I will assume you don't have one, so click Manage Now. Now enter your business name over here. So after that just simply choose over here and create your business name, then hit continue. Then choose your business type over here. Is it retail, local or service based? So choose whichever category you have, but for me it's service business, so I will just simply choose that and hit next. Now choose your business category, then hit next. Now if you have a location or an offline store, so enter that particular location over here. So I will just simply enter it, for example, let's say. Then if you have multiple stores, you can also add that, for example so as you can see, you can add multiple locations over here. So after entering all of the locations, just simply hit next. Now just simply choose from which region your business is based on, so choose that, then hit next. Now enter your phone number just for verification, then hit next. Now it will ask to put your business on map, so if you want that, click on the checkbox and hit continue. Now just simply enter a mailing address over here. So after doing that, just simply hit next, and within 5 to 6 days or within 2 weeks you will receive a postcard from Google Business. So after entering all of the details, just simply hit next, but for me I will just simply click on verify later. Now just simply add your business hours. So over here you can choose your business hours, so choose the timing when you are open and close. So for me I will just simply choose the opening and closing timing. Then you can just simply copy and paste for all of them if you have the same time period for all of them, but if you have different, you can choose that as well. Let's say for example this one, or you can do the same if you want to. And like this you can add the hours over here, and you can add extra hours for extra details. You can add the additional hour over here, so that's also an option. After you have done all of that, just simply click next. Then if you want to add messages, just simply click on this checkbox over here and hit next, but for me I will just simply skip this. Now all is left for you to add a business description, so just simply write a few words about your business, what you do, how you do, and what you can provide. So write all of that and hit next. So after that just simply hit next, but for me I will just simply skip this part. Now all is left for you to add is some photos regarding your business. So for this part I will just simply take an example, so click on add photos. Now just simply go on browse or drag and drop the footage. So for this part just simply click on browse and add the photo manually, or just simply drag and drop from the folder like that. So as I just said, I am just using these photos for example. So after the photos are added, just simply scroll down and click next. Then if you want to claim this free advertisement, you can do that, but for me I'll just simply skip this. Then if you want a custom domain, you can also buy that over here, but for me I'll just simply skip it. Then just simply click on continue. So as you can see, I am currently not verified. So in order to verify, all you have to do is just simply get the postcard, and after you get the postcard on your mailing address, you will be verified and people across the world will be able to see your business. So it will take up to 2 weeks to get you the postcard. So after you get the postcard, your business will be completely verified and you will be public. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.